Good bullish momentum seen across DAX, FTSE, NASDAQ, and US30 with the US inflation data coming in. Now, whether this rally is going to continue or not, is it going to be a bullish day again? And if yes, which position we should take and at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Remember, yesterday we discussed that FTSE has a very good chance of it to retrace for 7400. See, the prices were divergent from the 20 period and it was showing a reversal here. I had discussed that possibly second green candle will take it till towards this level. Precisely this is achieved. I hope you all profited at the same time. For DAX also we discussed that the price chance of price conversion till towards this level, that is 16950 exists. 15950 exists. It has breached past 16,000 levels. Now I hope you all profited across markets. So before leaving the video, just press the like, share, subscribe and comment. Also press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Second update on NASDAQ100 and Dow Jones will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into Tech 100, then Dow Jones, then DAX and then FTSE in the end. Do watch till the end. You can click on the chapters and jump into your favorite instrument. Now look at the hourly charts. See, it is given a breakout here. It is still trading bullish here. But one point to note that the here prices are getting a pullback from 15400. Now remember one point we had discussed yesterday is and always that beyond 15300 the chances for NASDAQ 100 to rise till towards 15500 levels will increase. So is it going to hit those levels? Right now it is appears to be overbought and the bullish momentum appears to be slowing down. Hence we have to be careful at 15400. Beyond that certainly a little more rise can take it till towards 15440, 15500 plus levels. Now see, the prices are divergent from the moving averages here. The moving averages are trading with extreme divergence on the hourly charts. We have to be careful. 15300 and 280 are now going to remain the extremely good support levels. Stochastic is overbought. MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell entry, and this is happening at a slightly higher levels. It does not mean that it cannot continue further on the upside, but yes, right now it is converging. And if you look at the RSI, this is again overbought. And on the 2 hour, yes, the moving averages are trading with divergence, good bullish sign, and it is also trading in this bullish channel. I will wait for a breakout above 15400 in order to confirm a rise. Also on the downside, now a sell entry, yes, you can sell here 15340 or 330 levels, but then also you note that 15280, which was the earlier resistance, is now going to remain the support. And below 280 till 200 it has got extremely good support. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is bullish here, trading with divergence. RSI is also overbought here. And on the 3-hour charts, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. What it will do, it will trade sideways for a while, will wait for the moving average to come up, and then trade in this zone at around 15 to 8300 before looking forward to an upward move. Right now, if you look at the 3-hour charts, it has taken the support from 15350 and it has seen a rise here. So a possible rise above 15400 will make it further bullish. At the same time, a support is seen at 15340, 330 zone, below which you can take a sell entry. However, 15280 is the level below which only further bearishness is going to prevail today. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. So everything is going overbought here, but still it does not limit the chance of NASDAQ 100 to continue with the bullish momentum. However, see these three candles, the price is not willing to stay up. I will wait for a breakdown on the downside, and then support levels are seen here. So we will wait here. And once it stays above 15, below 15250, you can still wait for 15200 levels, but still it will keep the prices on the bullish zone. Now see, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. The support levels at 15200 are going to remain the strongest support. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought here, and on the daily charts also. Now on the daily charts, remember this fact. See, it has converged here, reversal sign, now rallying here. This is the second to third bullish candle. Possibly it could be a limiting candle with a smaller bullish move. However, it is still bullish, and the chances for 15500 are very strong with the rise here. Stochastic overbought, MACD willing to converge crossover. This is good sign here. RSI near to overbought levels. Considering this, you can stay long above 15400. Expect 15440, 500 levels, and only bearishness is now below 15200. However, you can sell here at 15320. Expect 330. Expect 15280, 15250 as the major support, and then 15200 levels will be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch starts on first of week of August. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for US 30 here. See, US 30, after giving this rise, it has erased all the gains and it has fallen back within this channel. Now this is still a bullish channel with the higher lows. See, prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged till towards these levels, which makes 34,350 as a greater support, and hence below which, yes, you can stay short, but then we have to be careful till 34,250, only below which we can expect bearishness. So sell at 34,350 can be taken here. Stochastic overbought, MACD bearish, RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. On the 2-hour charts, see here the moving averages is crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. The prices are willing to converge, but see, after this sharp retracement, it has again taken this bullish path. I will wait for it to break past now 34,450 in order to confirm a rise, but then 34,500. And see what it has done with the rise. It has gone close to 34,600 or 575. These are the resistance level we have seen earlier. You can see this twin peak, and that is what makes this level as interesting, because beyond that, possibly, potentially, US 30 is going to hit 35,000 levels. Now see, it is still trading in this bullish channel. It has come out of, it has given a breakout and again fallen back here. Also, so in between 34,350 and 450, we have to remain cautious and alert. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here, trading with little divergence and a sell. RSI very near to top, and on the 3-hour charts also similar observation. Prices divergent from the moving averages. Stochastic has cooled down. The MACD has seen the wave here, trying to converge here. RSI is near to overbought levels. And on the 4-hour chart, there is extreme divergence on the moving average. The prices are divergent from the moving average. One thing is, it can trade sideways and wait for the moving average to come up and then converge here. Also, you can see it has formed a strong tail in the previous to previous candle. It can show a pullback from here. Stochastic comfortable. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is overbought, near to overbought levels. Now coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see the candle size here, and here you can see a sharp, strong wick. Now strong wick and a smaller body, because see this is less than 50% of the complete candle, which indicates that the prices were not willing to stay bullish, and we have seen a pullback. Now even if it tries to rise today, I see a potential consolidation till towards 34,600 levels. It could try to limit itself between this zone itself, as we have seen earlier pullback yesterday, and hence these levels at 34,600 remains. So even if you are buying at 34,450, one has to remain watchful, cautious, alert till 34,600, and on the downside 34,200 is the support levels. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to cross over for a buy. See this crossover here. RSI is flat near to top. So take your trades accordingly. Sell at 350, buy at 450. On the upside 34,600, on the downside 34,200. These 400 levels one has to remain watchful. Now let's have a look at DAX. Now see, DAX here is showing a squeeze here. You can see the bullishness getting diminished here, while it is getting a support or a push from the downside. Hence it could give a breakout. The breakout either which ways might bring again a bullish momentum or a bearish momentum. The momentum, whichever direction it takes, is going to remain strong. Now see, it is forming a good flag formation here. Now possibly beyond 16,060 levels, you can wait for 100, 120 levels, and beyond that more bullishness can prevail. At the same time, on the downside, see beautiful support is seen here. Now the support from the bottom of the trend line, which means a sell entry at 16,020 can be taken. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD crossing over for a sell, RSI overbought, everything is overbought here on the hourly charts. On the 2-hour charts, moving average is crossing over, price divergent from the moving average exists. However, it is just crossed over, and hence it can still continue with the upward move. On the upside, getting stronger resistance, that is the point to note. And on the downside, support is seen now till 15,950. The stochastic overbought, MACD is in green and it can continue here. RSI overbought here, and on the 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour charts, the crossover again here is seen, which makes 5900 as a very good support. It has still got the room for it to rise. You can buy here at 060 level, 16100 and 200, two major resistances. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. See, it is certainly overbought, but the phenomena here is when anything goes overbought, it comes into a buy zone, and once anything enters into a buy zone, more buyers enter for just to buy the instrument, and that keeps the traded instrument in the overbought zone, and it continues with that momentum. But it also makes it fragile because the profit booking kicks in, and once the profit booking is started, it drops with the slide, and hence this makes the instrument also fragile for the any shock. Now look at 4-hour charts, consolidation breakout. I will wait for a rise here. Then you can see this. This is the milestone which I'll be looking forward to, 16100, 120, and then 16200 is the ultimate resistance. Stochastic is trading extremely overbought here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also overbought. Coming to the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, one important point to note here is that see the moving average is now converging here, willing to cross over. At the same time, this is the top of the trend line here, and this is situated at around this zone 16060. Very good resistance till 16100 exists. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Also, if you look at the movement here, see this and this has nullified. Now the movement, even if it tries to rise, it is going to be either these two candles completely engulfed in one candle if it is extremely bullish, else we can see a smaller movement, and hence 16100 120 zone is going to be a greater resistance. Stochastic rising. Now see MACD, which was trading with extreme divergence here, has now crossed over, and we discussed a fat belly here phenomena, which is now looking upwards. RSI is flat, so considering this, you can buy here at 16060 and expect a rise, and at the same time a sell entry at 16020. However, 15980, 15950 are two major supports now for Germany 40. Below 15940, further bearishness is going to prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE. FTSE 100, after staying bearish for a while, now it has given a breakout on the upside, and now moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. Support is seen at the 7400, 7380 zone. Very good support exists here. Below that, 7350 will be the next price. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, it is still breaking on the upside, and hence see 7420, 7430 low levels. Yes, you can buy at 7430 and expect another round of rise. Stochastic is still bullish. MACD here has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is overbought here, and on the 2-hour, look at the 2-hour charts. Higher lows are seen. See, it has created a base at around 7405, 7400 levels. So I will recommend, yes, you can sell here at 7400 itself. Wait for 7380, 7350 levels. On the upside, you can buy at 7430 levels, but then 7450, 7460 is the greater resistance zone. You can see this consolidation here. It can try to achieve these levels, and beyond that, 7460 is also the maximum resistance. Stochastic rising. MACD is in green. RSI is overbought, and on the 3-hour charts, likewise, higher lows, lower highs. Possibly it could continue with the bullish momentum here. Stochastic is certainly overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. See, it is overbought. It increases the chance for it to converge, consolidate. Now look at the 4-hour chart. Similar observation here. See, these two candles are important here. Support is seen at 7400. With that, it is looking forward to rise. Certainly, we can expect 7440, 60 zone to get achieved. Beyond that, more bullish momentum might prevail, taking it till towards this zone here at 7500. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI is again looking upwards, and on the daily charts. Now coming to the daily charts, what it is trying to do is show complete recovery. You can see a reversal sign was seen here. Now the second candle may appear. You can see this candle, it can remain short of this, which means 7500, 7520 zone can get achieved, and the prices which are trading so far with the divergence from the moving average have converged here. Also, you can see it is trading in this bearish channel, and first 7480, 500 first resistance, and then 7550 the next resistance zone. It has the potential to achieve those levels. Now see, the MACD, which was trading with extreme divergence and a fat belly here, is now willing to cross over for a buy. which calls for a little rise. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Considering this, you can buy here at 7430 and sell at 7400. On the upside, be careful till 7460 levels. Very greater resistance. 7450, 60, very good resistance. And then beyond that, 7480, 500 are two major levels. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside, you can sell here at 400. However, 380 and 350 are two major support levels. Only below 350 further bearishness is going to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.